What's up guys, check out this full Bocce ball set. So it comes with a nice carrying bag to carry your Bocce balls. We still have the box in there, but you can take the box out. It comes with a full set of balls. So you have your red ones and your green ones. And then it also comes with obviously the ball that you're trying to get close to win. And then it comes with a tape measure so you can measure just how close you get to this ball to see who really wins. So it's a nice complete set. Let's go ahead, check it out.
Right there. Get closer. Ooh!
Yeah. You're at 30 centimeters. This one's 33.